So I'm gonna rate all kids of my brother. Hello. The first kid is attitude. Okay, I would say attitude is high tier or top 3. I'm gonna see. What are you gonna see? See? Wait a minute. I'm gonna say top 3. Yeah. Top 3.
It's not a good kid.
It's good, it's good. Airy. Airy's gonna get in the high tier. For me, it's pretty
Not
good.
the best kid, but it's good.
It's pretty good. It's very good. What's the kid quote again?
This kid ain't good. This
I'm
is
gonna-
low tier.
No, this is gonna be bottom 3 or low tier, yeah, low tier. Archer.
Archer's OP is gonna get in top tier.
Nah, in high tier.
Okay, but it's better than
In high tier. Airy.
ours is OP.
Aris is OP. I would say high tier. You too?
Top 3.
Yeah, top 3. I'm
It does.
agree. A lot of that. X-Level Amy is one of the best kids. I'm gonna put in the high tier.
Better than
It's-
tactical ball.
And it's free. Baker. I'm gonna say Baker's mid.
Nah,
Top.
it's OP, man. When you have
Yeah,
7
top 3.
If you had
You
a
can.
diamond armor and a wound sword, and your enemy is full armored, and you have 7 armors, what would you buy to clutch the game and win for a teammate?
Yeah.
You buy the
Golden Apple.
then yeah.
Barbarian is high tier.
Barbarian is
Barbarian is for me OP.
meh.
Ah.
Beekeeper is not that good.
Bottom. No,
Bottom 2.
where is that kid?
Nah.
By low tier.
Bounty Hunter is not that OP, mate.
But he's gonna go to the bottom 3. To the bottom 3.
Nah, I'm gonna say it's a mid.
Look. I didn't say it. He's bottom. Okay. He's gonna be top 3. Cobra's gonna be.
Lumens.
It's OP. Top 3. Lucia is for me top mid tier.
A.
Wait. Conquer.
Consequences.
Consequence.
Consequences.
Oh, what's the kid called again?
Krakow.
Yeah, Krakow. He's gonna go to mid tier.
Top tier.
Nah, man. High tier. Crypt. Crypt. I think Crypt is. I'm gonna say Crypt is top 3. It's good, but not that OP.
I put my arm
And Cyber. Cyber is for me top 3.
Man, I hate the cyber kid. If
No,
my enemy
was an embotter.
cyber kid, I would hate it.
The witch kid?
What do you mean with the witch kid?
The witch kid you said.
Cyber.
Yeah, but someone who can good aim like me?
I have better aim.
Nah.
You remember that I beat you in the 1v1?
Yeah. But
I think you
Daniel
got
Tom.
embarrassed.
I didn't get it.
Embarrassed.
Daniel Tom is mid tier. Inferno Shooter is the bottom three.
Elder Tree, man.
Well, Elder Tree is good. I'm gonna say top three. Amber.
Where the lumens. Amber lumen are just
I'm gonna say it's better than the Crypt. Wait, the Crypt has to go there. Yeah, there. Evelyn high tier. My favorite kid, TOP. Top tier, top tier. Wait, I have to do something. Oh no. From Clitas, got the insane. It's good. I'm gonna say top, mid tier.
but it's only for campus.
But
There's too much farm kids that always came.
we used from Clitas and we got full emerald. Our team only had it diamond armor.
Diamond armor.
I didn't use that for so long. Low tier. And what's snowman? That's bottom.
Yeah, that's not that. Junior Bagman is good.
Junior Bergman is mid.
It gives you no fall damage. That's how
Green.
it's good.
Green Reaper.
Green Reaper, it's not that. Oh,
Top three.
So much people say Green Reaper is so OP, but man.
Grumpy's too OP. Grumpy's gone to the top three.
But Green Reaper is not that good. You just kill people and get off.
Hana is indie.
But Hana is not that good.
He's saying this not, but I'm gonna say it's second best kid. Yeah.
Bro, likes that. The Hana is not that good when I.
That cat, I never seen that.
You use the Hana kit. You just have 19 health. When that guy is one shot, you only can reach from how much blocks away? Yeah.
Jade.
But that guy can combo wombo you, and you. It's like Uzi Kid.
It's just like Uzi Kid, but it goes in the mid tier. Talia is OP. It's gonna go to the bottom G, top G. Why is Green Reaper here? Go back in your spot. Okay.
I put my arm on
Alani is good for
low tier.
yeah. Lassie's OP. I put my armor down and show you how strong I am. Melody is bottom three. Nah, low tier. It's the bad kid. What's Pirate David doing here? Merchant Uncle. It's kinda good though.
I put my armor.
One time I had luck and I would have got a refund on a diamond sword. When I bought a diamond sword, I got 3 emeralds. I'm gonna say mid tier. Hey, that kid got nerfed so much that
Nobody use
yeah.
in my lobby.
I did see one person that used it before it got nerfed so many times. Miners.
Do you know who his favorite kid metal detector is?
Kutzlife, this French guy.
He's a crossbow. He's a crossbow.
Where he
Man,
won
bro,
CK.
he always said I quit because metal detector got nerfed. I quit because
balloons are sheep. Oh, we have to do it quick. Sheep harder is mid tier. Next is Nyx is high tier. Pardiv is mid tier. Pyro is
Pyro is the OP
High
man.
tier.
Pyro.
now tier. That's not
Raven's nothing. But
Santa
but
is
with Mass Hammer
too OP.
and fire,
Shayla,
and
Shayla.
fire.
Shayla. We have a new Shayla strategy. I'm gonna do a bit about it. Okay, and Smoke is gonna go to low tier. And it's free
For the low.
level 20. A Star Collector is
Not this.
Freya is by mid tier. Nobody uses this. Trinity is mid tier.
Vanessa is OP.
Vanessa is too OP. It's gonna go to the top 3. And Void Regent is high tier. It's OP. Oh, if only like.
4 minutes.
And Vulcan is good mid tier. That's gonna
Guys, subscribe to Mr. Bacon.
Mr. Bacon Max.
What do you mean, Mr.
Yeah.
Bacon?
Now my name. Subscribe to Bacon Max and to Mr. Bacon. Wizard is bad. Nobody uses this. Uxfruit
Oxford?
is gonna go to mid tier. Who used this kit? Raven, use these
High tier.
high tier.
But not that good like.
Zenith is OP, top 3. Zephyr
But
Is
that is OP.
is gonna go to the
Look.
top tier.
Archie Place made a video on
And Warrior is gonna go to bottom tier. Hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.